Viking Ocean Cruises, redefining luxury on the high seas. Imagine a cruise where each moment is defined by luxury, tranquility, and cultural discovery. Viking Ocean Cruises promises exactly that. Sophisticated voyages tailored for those who cherish comfort, history, and immersive experiences. Known for its intimate ships accommodating no more than 930 guests, Viking ensures personalized attention and world-class service. Every spacious stateroom features a veranda, letting you wake up to breathtaking views. Complimentary Wi-Fi and inclusions like premium dining and cultural performances elevate the onboard experience. Viking takes you far beyond the typical cruise experience. Smaller ships access exclusive ports across Europe, Asia, and beyond. Their immersive itineraries range from 8 to 93 days, or indulge in a world cruise of up to 180 days. Each voyage offers curated excursions, unveiling local culture and history. On board, days are enriched with lectures by historians, art workshops, and regional dining experiences. Imagine sailing through the Mediterranean while enjoying culinary classes inspired by the local flavors, or embarking on a walking tour in quaint European towns. Viking caters exclusively to adult travelers, fostering an atmosphere of serene sophistication. Whether cruising Alaska's glacial wonders or Europe's iconic waterways, their focus on intellectual engagement and cultural depth distinguishes each journey. This is your moment to redefine how you explore the world. Book your Viking Ocean Cruise today and embark on a life-changing voyage brimming with luxury, authenticity, and timeless memories. Visit their website or a travel advisor to begin your extraordinary journey.